What a sweet dog.
I'll try one more. Yeah. Come by. Come by. Come by. Stop. Lie down. Pepper, wait, wait. Wait, Pepper, wait, wait, wait. Maxie, Maxie. Max. Stop. Lay low. Lay low. Now, when you tell the dogs lay low or lay down, it takes off the pressure of the sheep and give them a break. Lay down. Pepper, come by. Come by. Stop! Pep, that'll do. Lie low. Gene. Wait. Wait, Pepper. Wait. Stop. Lie down. Stop. Lie down. Lie low. Walk on. Stop. Come by. Right. Light. Max. Come by. One. Come by. Lie down. Lie low. Lie low. Hello, Pep. Jenny. Hello. Walk on. Wait to me. Wait. 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 Come by. 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 Stop. Lie down. Come by. 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 Stop. Lie down. Lay low. Lay low. Lay low. Lie down. Lay low. Lie low. Sit. 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 Come on, Pep. Lie low. Lie low. Now guys, what we see here, Pepper, Dick, what we see here is only a small amount. You can imagine out on the hills, we'll be finding small groups, we have to push them together, and 5 or 6 hours later, you'll find several hundred sheep crossing the road. I'll probably be the first with my tongue out. But
looking for a can of Coke, and then you'll find the dogs strung out behind, they'll be so tired. Those are 1-year-olds. They've been down for the winter, they're mostly all sheared, there's 1 or 2 left, and then they'll be put back into the hills tonight. We won't see those slaughtered back until maybe October, November of next year. And they'll never be together as a flock. It determines the colour on the tags. The blue one goes that way, the red ones go about 5 miles towards Killarney. The black ones go way out here for several miles, so they all go back to wherever they were born last year. It's very important. It's like the salmon going upriver. It's called hefting. Wherever they're born, they have to go home. If I put them wrong, they'll be out on the road, they'll jump over the fence or get killed on the way to try to do it, but they have to go home. Now, if you look at the way they're watching the dog, it's a very primitive instinct. They're the prey animal and that's the wolf. And hundreds and generations of years later, it's the same thing. Guys, and they can't understand why he goes out and kills 30 sheep. Now, if I have 10 dogs, if I left 10 dogs here and go off, have a meal and forget about them, I could have the same problem. It's a very fine line between a wolf and control. If that line breaks, believe me, you don't want to see it. Even any of those dogs, if they break in here and knock over a sheep, if they kill one, they'll kill them all. And there's no point. And there's not a bad dog, there's a bad one. That's the way I say it. There's no such thing as a bad dog.